Let's take up next lesson number 27, and we will study about international sports events. So, dear students, several sports events they are held internationally throughout the year between two or more countries. You must be observing all these things. Though this year we are all missing the fun, but in normal years we have seen every year so many tournaments, cricket tournaments and Olympics, Commonwealth. Every year, some or the other sport event is held, and some international events like this Commonwealth game. This is also international events. Olympics are also international, and World Cup international. All these events they are being organized every years. One or the other event is organized, and we people enjoy them every year. Only this year the things are different due to the virus attack. So we will study about some different events, international sports event. So international sports, firstly you should understand what is meant by international sport. It refers to sports when participants represent at least two countries. Means when at least two countries are involved in any sports, any event, then it is called an international event. If we are talking about state, then only it will be nationals. When we are within a country, then it will be called as national. But when two countries are involved, then it will be called as an international event. You must have seen students, they are going to represent in different fields. Kids also go nowadays. They are going, firstly they will be competing in Sonipat, then they will be selected for some district games, then they will get to fight with some different opponents from Sonipat district only. Then you will get to fight with state opponents, means different districts, and then you will get to fight with different states within India. You may go to some other state, and some people may come to your state. So in such way these events are created. And when you go out of country, it means two countries are involved, and that we call as an international event. The ancient Olympics games, they were held between several city-states and kingdoms from ancient Greece. And the first Olympic game of the modern era were held in 1896, and there were only 9 disciplines, and all participants there were male. So in previous times there were so many sports where women or girls they were not allowed to participate, but nowadays all are having equal rights and all are participating in every sport. That is called women empowerment. Now we have to match the terms with the games. Firstly, checkmate. We will match it with D, that is chess. Then blind pass, we will match it with G, that is basketball. Then deuce, we will match it with B, that is tennis. Then half court shot, we will match it with the H part, that is badminton. And then comes cover, it will be matched with C, that is volleyball. Then next is bicycle kick, and we will match it with football. Kick is involved there. Next is knockout, that is A part, boxing. Then next is albatross, and that will be golf, that will be related to golf. Then ninth one, tail shot, will be related to polo, and count will be related to I part, match it to I, base.